Fuck him up! Yeah, beat him! Yeah, fuck him up! Beat him! Beat him!
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing going. You don't know so the attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, my people, me a launch a attack, you know. And more everybody say attack them NEWLINK. Attack. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Because, you know, see a video sent to my people, and I can't tell us, say, yo, this video happened today, it happened yesterday, or it happened the other day, or when it happened, my people, last year, 10 years ago, my people. But it looked like recently this thing happened in a Jamaica, my people. And the caption said, NEWLINK. You know, said that boy a NEWLINK, we yesterday them have another video, and them a put on a tick them pan, and them a put on a board them pan, NEWLINK. A trouble the boy, a trouble him granny, in a bed. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, attack the dirty thinking, same thing, NEWLINK. Me people, on a real level, you know, so me can't have to cover up certain things, you don't know the guidelines go. You understand? So, as me telling you already, you don't know the thing go. Follow the IG, my people, you know what I mean? Follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Make sure you follow it. DM me. You understand? And then, we don't know when the time is right, I will forward it to you all. You know what I mean? Make sure you follow the IG, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Or check below in the description for the link. Follow the Twitter. You don't know. One team, one dream, one scheme. So, this same thing now, my people. Big, great tone thinking, boy. This thinking, same thing, yeah. You understand? Yeah, man, I'm orange shot. I don't know if him say PRJ or way more for saying I'm dirty thinking orange shot, my people. You know what I mean? Not affiliated with no party. I'm not dissing no party, but I'm saying, the same thing, you know, basically what me are saying, it is a legend, my people. Say the same thing. Granny did in a bed, you know what I mean? So granny no 200, my people. And the same thing, live there with granny, my people. You understand? You know, like a grandson there, a yard, maybe, his mama, and you know what I mean? The same thing, mother and father left him there to take care of granny, you know what I mean? Granny wanted a little thing out there, so him deal a big boy, me I telling you people, big man, no boy, big man. You understand? Big old fat thinking boy. And them say the same thing, manage did it. And them catch the same thing at trouble granny in a jeez and this. But a real level, my people, me not lie. Them put on lick pan it in my people. Them put board in a knee cup, my people. Them put board cross it back, my people. Them beat it on the leg, them beat it everywhere, my people. And it a ball, it a cry, it a jump. You know what I mean? But the first attempt the same thing make was like he want to run away. So after him do this now, my people, he might try like he want to do this and manage it, take away himself. But because the big old thinking, something big, and come like them big old bull cow, them my people, he can't run. I know them big old fat, big bull, big cow there, with the belly almost a touch ground, my people. That's how they thinking, same thing looking at them fat pig, you know. You know what I mean? And the same thing want make him move. But me tell us then can't it, my people, and then give it to him. You know what I mean? On a real level, my viewers and subscribers, and this is that cruel for say. But you see, if they really catch the same thing, like say I'm about, I'm in action, I do nothing to granny, all me can say, my people, it no deserve for the on earth amongst people. You understand? It no deserve attack the dirty thinking same thing NEWLINK. Me say it no deserve MOBE, it mabbit. You know what I mean? No joke about it. You know what I mean? Because from you see make that move, yeah, it's not the first time him try it. It's not the first time him do it. And how to tell others out the way to trouble my people. If you want a wife, so me can show it, because this look like some place where you have some co-pastor there, you know. Look how much same thing over co-pastor over there, so. Or look much swamp. You're not going to find one alligator, one crocodile over there and go deal with it if you want same thing, so. Because me now go send you for the good cow them, and the good pig them, and the goat them, You understand? No, go on for one alligator, a crocodile them. Go for one of that and go deal with if you want same thing. So and then you will get it. You will get it nice, man. You will get it comfortable. You will get it relaxing. But a granny, granny where you should not take care of same thing. Granny where you should not look out for. Granny. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja see, Jaja knows what kind of thinking, sin thing them are born upon land, my people. You see how them sin thing, you know them do them sin thing in Africa, my people. Them wall it and them skin it. I say them with a wall it card and then skin it. You know what I mean? Them take the knife and them with a skin it, my people. Jaja see, Jaja, sin thing like them and it with skin. You understand? Skin it. Enough you have to use back for do nothing else again, my people. Poor grandma. Just but make me say for the residents them in the place there, all me can say big up on yourself. You understand? Because I love when I put you on it. All the brother when I say with the piece of two before there, I say you put you on. You know what I mean? I say someone don't like on a coordinate, but I say me wish me could have did if I put on some pan it too. When me done beat it. You know me miss my granny. You know me miss my granny. Every moment you get in a life with a local granny, cherish it, same thing. And you have your granny them say. And this is what you've been doing to granny. And then your first move, same thing. But grateful them catch a look at the thinking, same thing. It's not your first move. It's not your first move. It's not your first strike, your strike. You, they want to put in a one cell because you know they didn't know. And dash you the key and never let you out back on the face of earth. You know what I mean? And when them are going to say, you're mad, you're sick, you have mental problem. And that them are going to tell me, say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Big old great thinking tone boy. As me tell you, come like them big old fat sour pig. With the belly a drop a ground. Go pan your toe, man. And boy, you a cry, boy, you a ball, and boy, you a she laugh when liquor take you. Boy, help. When granny need help, who did they help granny? When you try to look at dirty thinking, Derek them, and scare it, and boy, you want touch. Pan your face too. Yo, my people, actually, you don't even know, man. I say, sorry, me, you never did them myself. Forget, you get some electrical wire. You know them electrical wire there, and beat with it, my people. You understand? Beat with it. Rubber pepper and the eye them. You know what I mean? I say you deal with them same thing, yeah. And when I say people then skin it. Like what the African then that deal with it, my people, skin it. You know what I mean? I see all the foot bottom them. You hold him, you time on them, my people, back time, You get him on him back and you see him two foot bottom them, you tie them together. You just take it two before and clap him on them. You know what I mean? What if a sense you know have me? I better say every sense you come back for you never touch granny again. You know what I mean? If I saw you want to deal with it then. Because since as you want it live, I saw you go deal with it, my people. You go give it some harsh punishment. So it will never think, you know what I mean, for try something like that again. Because I tell my people, when I see the same thing, them strike once and then catch it, my people. If I first time I do it, in an intention to do it again. I mean, I can tell these people, if you wear this adult is thinking same thing look like a with that sweet thing where I do long time. You can't bet when them say, oh John, you can't stand with mama. Yeah, quickest and the fastest I'm ready if you got stand with mama. Because I don't know when I mindset when I'm stand with mama. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Look for a woman at Jamaica, man. 10 woman to 1 man. You could have ugly nowadays and fear Zachariah's dumpling head, my people. How much woman you can get? Your face could have turned back way and turn upside down. You still can't find no man at Jamaica because too much woman done there. Are you going to go look some work and go shop some wheelbarrow and go do some work and go chop down some co-pass or chop a road and get some money then and go buy some tunes? Because they all over the place to sell. But a granny you want to touch. Attack for your dirty thinking piece of same thing. Attack. And no joke, no leniency. My people, big up on yourself and thank you for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and every comment. So one team, my people, one dream, one skill. Remember, my people, as I tell you now, follow the Instagram. You don't know the thing go. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say over there, so now have a link up. Forget the thing them, you understand, and make sure to follow my people. Facebook, subscribe, and make sure please like the video, my people. Because when I see the like them, it push the vibes to continue doing the vlog, them, my people. Like the video them, my people. Please just press like, a simple thing for do, and not hard for just press like. Like the video, share the video, them, my people. Leave a comment in the section. Please keep it going, keep the support going, because the attacking boss, they have to attack the nasty dirty thinking, same thing them. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out. Blessings.